Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. It is getting into summer, and as a Cornishman, that only means one thing. This week we are making scones, and next week I'll be showing you how to make homemade jam and clotted cream to go along with them. So this week we are of course doing the scones. You want to start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And to make the scones you want to combine 360 grams or 3 cups of all-purpose or self-raising flour, 5 teaspoons of baking powder. Now if you are using self-raising flour, you can skip this step. You don't want to add any more baking powder to self-raising flour. 100 grams or half a cup of white sugar, a pinch or half a teaspoon of salt, and 170 grams or 3/4 of a cup of soft butter. Now you can use butter straight out the fridge, but you will have to work it for a bit longer. And then you want to mix it together until, well, you guessed it, it resembles breadcrumbs. Next, in a bowl or a measuring cup, you want to combine 1 egg with 240 ml or 1 cup of milk, and then you want to whisk to combine. And slowly, a part at a time, add to the dry mix. Now don't do what I did and pour it all in at once, because every brand of flour is going to be different and it will absorb liquids differently. So do as I say and not as I do. And if you did pour it all in like I did and your mixture is too wet, you can just add in some extra flour, it's no big deal. Now once you have something that resembles dough, you want to pour it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead until uniform. Now if you have cookie cutters, you can cut them into any shape you wish. Probably not fancy shapes, but just round, square, triangles, you know, your basic shapes. And then you can roll your scraps and recut. Now if you don't have any cutters, or you just want to skip over that bit, you can shape into a square and cut, or you can shape it into a round disc and cut like you would pizzas to get triangular scones. Then you just want to place these on a lined baking tray. Optionally, you can egg or milk wash these, and then bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown on top. Once cooked, let them cool slightly, then you can cut them in half, top them with butter, jam, cream, or anything else you wish. But remember, if you have jam and cream, the cream goes on top of the jam. That is the way of the Cornish. And then simply enjoy. And that wraps up this week's episode. I know it was a quick one, but work has picked up a bit more again. I'm not complaining, money is money. But as always, I hope you have enjoyed. If you did, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content. And I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.